Hi. Do you have problems with creation of educational and tutorial videos out of your slide deck presentations? We have been there and we know exactly what you are going through. Even for the simplest of videos, the process goes like this. You write the script. Then you create the slides. Then you outsource the narration recording. And then you wait. And wait. And wait some more. Once the narrations are back, you need to synchronize them with slides. Unless there was something wrong with the recordings. In which case you need to record them again. It usually takes a week or two for the entire process without additional iterations. On top of that, you really need the budget or the skills for the narration recording and video editing. Which, to be honest, few of us do. Then, after some time, you will need to change a few minor details in your video. Here you go again, you need a new budget and another few weeks. You modify the script. And you modify the slides. You need to send the modified script for narration recording again. And wait again. You know the drill. Then you need to synchronize the sound and edit the original video. Naturally, you can't fine-tune anything in the final phases, it is just not worth the time and effort. So you are constantly stuck with what you've got. How many times, in all your frustration, have you told yourself, there has to be an easier, faster and cheaper way of doing this? Right? Well, there is now, and it is called TalkingDeck. TalkingDeck turns your Google Slides into narrated videos in one click of the mouse button. If you wish, you can even add an animated presenter, just like me. We have created TalkingDeck to solve our own tutorial video publishing problems. And we love it so much that we have decided to share the tool with the world. With TalkingDeck you can create your videos in 4 easy steps. First, you create your Google Slides presentation. Then, you add your narration script to speaker notes. You choose your narration voice and optionally the animated character. And, finally, you export your video in one click. There is no need to outsource narration recordings, no video editing, and no sound synchronization. With TalkingDeck you immediately cut your turnaround time from weeks to minutes and save a whole load of money on top of it. We think it is great and we hope you will too. You can try TalkingDeck for free by installing it from Google Workspace Marketplace. As for me, I am sure that we will see each other again in some of your projects. Make sure to choose me over my fellow animated presenters. Just kidding. You can use them as well, from time to time. Bye bye for now.